I'm back. Today we are talking about two words, and the reason we're talking about two is they kind of go together. I want to start with the first word. You're going to repeat after me. The word is literal, literal, literal. This comes almost always when we're reading. Usually when we read, we take the words for their literal meaning, so what they actually mean. So if I read, I blinked my eye when I had something in it, that's literally what it would mean. It would mean I blinked my eye because something was in it. Literal just means something that is completely true and not exaggerated. So I blinked my eye. If I'm looking outside right now, I could say the grass is green. That is literally what it means, exactly what it means. Today in reading, though, you're not talking so much about literal words. You are talking about figurative language. This is a new word and it's big, so let's repeat it. Figurative, figurative, figurative. That's some tricky syllables. Let's try that. Figurative, figurative. Four syllables. Now, what does that mean? If I know literal means exactly something that's true, literal is when we read words that have a different meaning from what they sound like. So just like I said in the last one, if I say I blinked my eyes and that's what actually happened, figurative language might sound like summer was over in the blink of an eye. That doesn't mean that summer only lasts that long. It's just saying it felt really short, like as short as it takes to blink your eye. Just like I said for literal, I could say the grass is green. Figurative language could sound like the grass was like spiky green hair all over the ground. I know grass isn't really hair, but now that I'm reading it with figurative language, I maybe can picture it better in my mind. It's just a different way of describing something that might not be completely factual, but makes you understand what it's like. Summer's over in a blink of an eye. It feels very fast. The grass is like spiky green hair. That's what it looks like. Today, you are really looking for figurative language. You will do a lot more practice with this, but now we know the word figurative just means when we take the meaning and it means something a little bit different than what it sounds like.